Guys, di ba, si Maya Black credit card, they advertise it as no annual fee for life. Pero nagkaroon ng confusion over the internet these past few days na bigla na lang daw nagkaroon ng annual fee ang kanilang Maya Black credit card.
Ano nangyari? Totoo ba to?
Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So samahan niyo ako, sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So if you're not aware guys, itong isang credit card offering ni Maya Bank is the Maya Black, wherein ina-advertise niya at sinasabi niya na this is a no annual fee for life na credit card. Meaning you don't need to pay for the annual membership of around 2,000 pesos or even 4,000 pesos sa ibang mga credit card. So ano tong sinasabi kung nagkaroon ng issue or confusion with regards to the no annual fee for life? So apparently, nagpadala ng bagong terms and conditions si Maya sa email, and under that email may instruction for you to check the latest fees ng kanilang Maya Black credit card. And when doing so, nakita ng mga unang nakatanggap ng email is that from previously na nakalagay na waive siya, ang nakalagay na dito ay 2,000 plus pesos na annual fee. So nagsimula itong rumor na to, an issue na to sa internet wherein bakit kailangan magbayad ng annual fee kung kinuha nila yung card as advertised as no annual fee for life. Yun na nga. So couple of internet user have turned to Reddit or even contacted customer service. And sabi ng customer service, wala naman po nagbago, no annual fee for life pa rin po yan. And hindi nila alam kung ano tong sinasabing 2,000 pesos na annual fee. At sabi nila dito, it may be coming from an outdated page or maybe referring to a different product. Which, yun na nakakainis. Bakit sinasabi na outdated page? Kung yun nga yung nakalagay sa app, nung nagpadala sila ng email to check the terms and condition. Paano magre-refer sa ibang different product? Mismo sa app nakalagay sa credit card is the 2,000 plus pesos na annual fee. So in that sense, itong 2,000 plus na nakalagay na annual fee, medyo dina-downplay na customer service ng Maya. So eventually, merong isang Redditor na nireplyan ni Maya. And ito yung sabi sa kanya. So, hi Ryle Sabado, we want to reassure you that your Maya Black credit card remains no annual fee for life as long as you use it to pay at least once a month within each billing cycle. With some customers are seeing as a temporary interface issue and our team is already working on fixing it so everything reflects correctly. We're sorry for making you worry about this and we appreciate you bringing this to our attention. So, at least dito sa reply na to ni Maya sa Reddit, in-acknowledge nila na merong system issue lang sa kanilang recent na update with the Maya app. So, what stands right now is that no annual fee for life pa rin ang Maya Black credit card as long as you use it once a month to pay for any goods using the card itself. Dissecting the amount na 2,250, parang anlayo kasi niya even though na mag-charge ka ng 50 pesos every month kung hindi ka gagastos. Meron tinatawag na inactivity fee na i-charge sa credit card mo ng 50 pesos every month. Ibig sabihin nito, kapag after 6 months, walang kahit na anong transaction ang inyong credit card, i-charge ka ni Maya mismo ng 50 pesos na inactivity fee. So let's say 1 year, kasi nga annual fee siya, di ba? So 50 times 12, that's only 600 pesos. Thus, ang layo ng 600 pesos sa 2,250.
So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Saan galing itong 2,250?
Well, ito lang iniisip ko guys ha, and this is not official. Possible na merong plan, siguro si Maya na magkaroon ng annual fee. But alam niyo yun, sa mga traditional credit cards natin na nag-offer ng no annual fee for life, di ba ang sinasabi doon na you spend this 10,000 pesos or 20,000 pesos upon receiving the card and magagrantan ka ng no annual fee. So inisip ko, baka ganun siya na tipong may rule na isa-set si Maya later on na kailangan ma-meet mo yon, and then if hindi mo siya ma-meet, magre-revert yan sa 2,250 na no annual fee. So possible na ganun yon kasi napakalayo saan nang galing yung figure na 2,250. Kung 600 pesos pa yan, maiintindihan ko na yun yung inactivity fee. Dahil nga sa out of nowhere na lang na merong ganung figure. Just to take note ha, nakalagay sa terms and condition ni Maya na merong option or power si Maya Black to change anything na nakalagay sa terms and condition as long as sasabihan niya yung mga customers niya and then magte-take effect ito after 90 days para mabigyan ng ample time yung mga customer if they want to still continue using the product or ipa-close or ipatigil na. So if ever man na may ganitong change with regards to the no annual fee for life and gusto mong ipa-cancel na because of that later on, kung meron man, well, at least you have that 90-day grace period because nga nakalagay yan sa terms and condition. For our question of the day, sa tingin nyo, bakit kailangan magkaroon ng annual fee ang mga credit card? Wherein sa ibang mga companies, sa ibang mga credit card companies, kaya naman nila mag-provide ng no annual fee. Bakit yung ibang card meron? Ano sa tingin nyo yung reason? Well, i-comment nyo yan sa comment section sa baba for our weekly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Ken to Ken at K3N6969. Ang sabi po niya ay, nice one Kuya Pat, thank you sa info. Yan, kay Ken to Ken at K3N6969. Shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much din po for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button to subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!